We have one insane telemarketing stock that might short squeeze this Monday. We're going to cover it in depth in this video, help you with call outs, and give you an update on our plays. We have a lot to go over today. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any call outs. CDLX is our financial stock. The CDLX stock is a telemarketing stock, meaning this company makes money by using data that it collects from POS systems. Every time you run your credit card, you are giving away your personal data, and CDLX uses the Cardlytics software to connect marketers with you, the consumer, to sell you related products and services. You can imagine how powerful that is if every time you go to Big Lots or Starbucks and you buy a coffee, then the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf and other coffee companies get to call you, contact you, and sell you related products and services to what you're already buying. This is a really powerful business model. So if you can think about it like that, you might imagine why they're doing so well right now. It has a 209.39 million market cap. We're going to cover this penny stock in depth. Now on April 6th, which is today, Super King 999, a pro member, made $11.3 thousand in profit. He's only been a pro member for about 2 weeks, and he's already learned so much and got so many good call outs that he's actually made over $30,000 over the past 2 weeks. If you want to become a pro member, just DM me on the Discord. You can join the link in the description for free. Join the Discord and reach out to me on there. Cardlytics updated its guidance for the first quarter 2023 financial results, and as a reminder, this is for educational purposes only. The first quarter 2023 financial results were just updated on Cardlytics, and that is why the stock is performing as well as it is. It made more optimistic claims about how much the company is expected to grow, and it's showing the financial earnings to back it up. CDLX just updated this, and that's why we released in our video just 2 days ago that we are looking to buy CDLX at $5. I want you to keep that in mind. We were looking to buy CDLX stock at $5. You can look at the proof right here. We called it out in our video. Timestamp is 6 minutes and 5 seconds into the video. 6 minutes and 5 seconds into the video, we called out CDLX at $5 buy-in. So with CDLX, I want to see the stock stay above either $5.38 or $6. If the stock is extremely strong, and I do think the stock is extremely strong, and what happened to the stock the next day? Guess what? We had our chance to buy the stock at $5. On April 6th, which is today, 2023, CDLX pulled back to $4.70, which is just below the $5 level, at which point it broke through and started rallying like crazy. So on April 5th, we called out the stock at $5, and on April 6th, 2023, today, CDLX short squeeze. That's right, it's short squeeze, just like we predicted 2 days ago. CDLX went from $5 all the way to a high of $6.20, a 27% increase for $2,700 profit in just 1 day on the call out, okay? And that's if you're trading with 10K. That's 40 million in buying volume on April 6, 2023, after we called out the stock. KJ made $700. We made over $60,000 over the past 2 weeks collectively. I am a professional trader. I'm a financial analyst. I work in this sector, and I can help you make serious money in the stock market. This is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only, but I do publish my trades publicly, and you're free to do what you want with them. In fact, my members made one good decision, and that decision is choosing the right coach. How many times have you took trades where you lost money in the market? How many times have you taken trades with other traders where they were just bad call outs? Well, you don't have to worry about that anymore. When I give you a call out, we actually won 14 trades on the YouTube channel, and this is our 14th trade that we won. When I give you a call out, the setup is solid, and even if we don't win every trade, we're at least able to control our losses so that our losses are very small and our wins are huge. And that means that even though I will never tell you to buy or sell a stock, if you do watch this channel and use it the way that you want to use it, you can make serious money in the stock market. And that's why you need to join our pro group right now. NAAS, which we called out a week and a half ago, is now up 120% from where we called it out. Awesome. Now that we covered CDLX and our top plays, which have made us over 150% this week, I can help you find the next stocks to be trading. Guys, I just got a message from one of our pro members, Mr. 305, who just made $5,000 today. We traded a stock called CDLX. The stock had a low, as we talked about earlier, at $4.70. It rallied to a high of $6.20 today, where we had a profit target at $6.14. So we basically bought this stock at the bottom and sold it at the top today on April 6, 2023. Can the stock rally more? Yes, it can. I'm going to give you the exact buying and sell levels where I'm looking at CDLX, but keep in mind that this is no longer a call out. We have already made our money on CDLX. The stock has rallied from $5 to $6, and we are happy with our 20% win. That being said, we will go over a few other stocks today, and we'll go over how you can improve your trading percentage, win rate, and make more money in the stock market. CDLX now up to 620. We can see it rallying in the after hours right now because the stock market is still open at the time of recording this video. The stock is up to $6.04. If this stock holds the $6 level, it can rally even more. In fact, the level that I'm looking to trade this off of, if I trade CDLX in the future, is $5.60. I want the stock CDLX to pull back just a little bit more to $5.60, break through the $6 level, and then come up to $6.14 and $6.43. $6.43 is a profit target, which I'm looking at for CDLX. Once it hits the $6.43 profit target, I don't expect the stock to rally much more, but it certainly can. And if CDLX rallies more than $6.43, then you can bet that I'll be holding a position, and I hope you do too. CDLX is a huge winning stock. It's the 14th winning trade that we published live on YouTube, and if you want more trades like CDLX, where you're able to make profit more accurately than ever before, then you need to join the pro group, because there's so many other stocks like Hub C stock where traders are losing massive amounts of money with the stock at $125, where it was at $4 just a few weeks ago. So make sure that you're not bag holding and losing money. Thank you guys for joining me on this channel. If you're ready to stop losing money and start making money with one of the most successful traders in the world, then I hope you'll join me in the pro group. Click the link in the description and join me on the Discord. Thank you.